We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
Hi loves, to see how I go from one look to the other look, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So to begin with, I'm going to braid my hair back in a fishtail braid, and I'm going to put a wig cap on, and I did not use gel or glue to secure my wig. I just put it on over my dreads. So I started off by filling in my brows like I always do, and I'm using the e.l.f. brow pomade, and this is the same one that I think I used back in my first video, but I started filming them on camera, and y'all, then I'm just going to disappear and I'm going to come back and my eyebrows are going to be filled in. But if y'all want to see a full tutorial on an eyebrow, let me know in the comments and I would definitely upload one. So to clean my eyebrows up, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in the color tan. So to prime my eyes, I'm using that Tarte Shape Tape in tan again, and I'm just putting it all over my eyelid, and I'm setting it with my Sasha Buttercup. And yeah, that's it, y'all. So when I started doing this video, I had no idea what look I was going for. I just knew I wanted to do something colorful because my background was so colorful and then my shirt was so colorful. So I just picked two palettes and I kind of just, I don't know, just started playing around until I came up with a desired look that I actually like. Cut my crease, I'm using the same concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape in tan. It's just my go-to concealer for pretty much everything, but I'm using that just to cut my crease. And y'all, I do have hooded eyes, so if y'all want to see a video to a more detailed video on how to do a cut crease on a hooded eye, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I went in my Makeup Forever palette, my Starlit palette, and it has like these little glitter shimmery eyeshadow, and I kept adding it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just kept like patting it on the blue so it could give it like a little glitter. Off camera you can see it a lot better than you can see it on camera, but yeah, I liked it and I thought it was cute. So for contour, I'm using my favorite contour stick, which is by Fenty, and it is in the color Espresso. So y'all, I had almost forgot, so I went back in and I set my highlight with my Sacha Buttercup, and I set my contour with my Black Radiance powder. Oh y'all, this is my new favorite blush. It is in Toasted Almond, and it is also by Black Radiance. For my lips, I'm wearing Revolution Iconic Matte Lipstick in the color Girl's Best Friend, and I use my Essence Phaedra Shade Lipstick to ombre it out in the middle. And y'all, that is the final look. Thanks for watching, and since you're here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks.